Hello students. Today we will be working from Life Skills for Grade 7, Chapter 1. We will speak about transitioning. The word transition means to change from one state to another. Today, Grade 7, your state is being changed. You are leaving the elementary school and are coming into the high school. What are some of the changes you will have to get adjusted to? Many teachers for many subjects, moving about from class to class, lunch and break times with persons you do not know, lockers for books. You must be highly organized. Each lesson ends with a bell, and you must have a 3-minute window to get to class on time. You really need to obey this rule because you don't want to be late for class. The other big event in high school, you are going to be able to identify your learning style. There are 7 types. The visual learner, you prefer using pictures and images. The oral learner, who enjoys sound and music. The verbal learner enjoys and loves words, giving speeches, writing poetry, or stories. Many students are turning word into the spoken word and poetry. This helps them to learn large bodies of information. The physical learner tends to use his body by using his hands and a sense of touch. Logical learners are usually mathematicians and they prefer to use logic and systems. Then there is the social learner who prefers to learn in groups with other people. These students will meet in groups for an assignment, and the different persons will be given various topics, and each person will do his or her research and present it to the group. Then finally, there is the solitary learner. This student intends to work and study alone. So which student are you? For your homework assignment, you are to identify your learning style and explain why. Then you are to complete all activities on pages 4, 5, and 11 after reading chapters 1 and 2. Extra credit will be given if your parents complete the parental observations and comments. Our next class meeting will be on Zoom. So see you then.